Hello everyone, today I'm going to take you with me to show you this property that's called PENDOVILLAS, which is located in Diani Beach, 1.5 kilometers from the Diani Beach shopping center, and also it's 1.6 kilometers from the Baharini shopping center. The villa offers 12 two-bedroom executive villas, fully air-conditioned, boasting 2-bedroom all with ensuite bathroom complete with a kitchenette and a lounge. All of the rooms have been individually decorated with a local artwork and bespoke furniture. With personal chef, each private house offers a guest with a bespoke great experience while maintaining a genuine culture of Africa. And the best part is there's also free Wi-Fi. Ensure to like, share, and also get to subscribe. As you get in through the main door, this is what you're greeted with. Kitchen over here. Of course, there's water, kama kawaida, and your utensils, a place where you can cook, and also there is a gas. There is a gas, as you can see here. You're provided with the sufurias, pan, whatnot. That's a place where you can store buckets, labda, and also some plates, spoons over there. Yeah, this is where I'm working at. My laptop over here where I'm editing my videos. Place where you can have a seat, a place where you can come and chill in case you don't want to stay or to sit on these seats. Place where you can come and chill at. And this is where we have the television. As there is free Wi-Fi, as you can see. So as I walk out, you can see the management was fair enough or kind enough to provide us with the swimming towels which we can use after swimming. And out here there is a decent sized pool, which is not bad. At least we have something. And over here we have a place where we can get to sit down and also get to chill. And also you can use this space to either read a book or meditate. And as I walk in the villa, I'm just going to do a walk around after showing you the fridge and also the water dispenser. And this is how the villa looks like, or the sitting area looks like. And later on I'm going to show you the bedrooms and also the ensuite bathrooms. So as I walk to my right, this is the first bedroom, as you can see. And also we are provided with a place where we can work from. There is a wardrobe over here, which is of a decent size, and also 2 double beds. And of course we are provided with the mosquito nets. The beds are comfortable enough. And as I spin around and walk towards the wardrobe, you can see there is a safe that we are provided with, where you can just get to put in your most expensive belongings like your jewelry and also your watches. And on this other side we are provided with a mirror inside the wardrobe. So but I really don't see the essence of having a mirror inside the wardrobe. So guys, kindly comment down below why we have a mirror inside the wardrobe instead of having it outside the wardrobe. our bedroom number 2, you can see we have a place where we can also get to work from. There is a wardrobe, and also there is a king size bed over here, and the bedrooms are all en suites. And finally, before I leave the villa, there is a questionnaire which is provided by the management, and I will get to fill it so that they can be able to improve on their services. But all in all, I will rate this villa 9 out of 10. And finally, I'm out of the villa, and this is the rooftop where we shall be having our meals, like our breakfast, lunch, and also dinner. So the only part that I'd like this management to improve on is regarding the meals, where we should have different types and variety of meals. So, but all in all, it's a good villa. And if you'd like to come, please guys, you can always get in touch, and I'll leave the links of the villa down below. And if you liked the video, kindly ensure to like, share, and also get to subscribe and turn on the post notification in order to not miss out in any of my other videos whenever I post. And without any further ado, I'll see you in my next video. Adios.